we need to talk. In the past months, maybe year, or maybe even more, I broke my only rule as a SaaS founder, that's a rule that you should never break. And if you break it, you will probably end up losing a lot of money and a lot of time. And this rule is to build something, whatever you choose to build, if it's a store, if it's an application, AI, whatever you build for so long that you forget to market it. You forget to check if you have an audience, if you can actually bring users to it. So we've been building for months, maybe for a year now, and it started as a library. The first idea was to build a library of the top performing videos on YouTube. And you had like this dashboard. This is not what you're seeing right now, but you have we used to have like a dashboard with a lot of videos. You could filter them by outliers and view count, subscribers, graphs, and etc. It was an amazing tool. But when we tried to go to market, people didn't stick. It was not as great as I thought it would be. Anyhow, after a year of development, I told Amin, the developer that worked with me on this project, that we are deleting everything. So we pretty much threw 1 year to the garbage. We deleted everything. Now we built something new. I think it's amazing because it gives you exactly what I wanted to have when I started my YouTube journey on different channels. I will not add more about this, what we built here, because this is not the subject of the video, but I will be showing in the next videos exactly what we're doing to bring traffic to this platform, to get users, and basically to, I don't know, take off, skyrocket, whatever you want to call it. This is what we are going to do with this platform. So what are we going to talk in this video? Something that came to me last night, and I don't know, I feel like it's not even relevant to YouTube, but somehow it created this insane concept that we are going to build and we'll be sharing as well on this channel, the entire process of how we build it, how we're going to market it, how the problems that we'll be facing. Obviously, there are always problems, and how we solve them, hopefully. And this is exactly what we are going to do. So what is the idea? So I was laying on my couch yesterday and jumping from dashboard to dashboard to dashboard. I was jumping from the YouTube dashboard to my email list, to Google Analytics, to Facebook, to Instagram. And I was jumping from app to app to app. And at some point, I was surprised that I'm still doing this. We are almost 2026 and we have AI and we have so many great resources, like tech resources that can solve so many problems and pretty much invent whatever we want in matter of minutes or hours. And how come no one did it? Like, maybe it exists, tell me in the comments, but from what I searched for, I didn't see it anywhere. So what I was thinking is, instead of having, where is the pencil? Instead of having like multiple apps, okay, so this is app number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you need to jump from this to this to this to this to this. What if we have one app with AI? It's a chat. And you connect to this chat AI, whatever platform you want, with a simple integration, like a one-click connect to the app kind of integration. And then on this chat, you can simply ask for data. This is the concept that I had. And I had to validate this idea with Amin, the developer, to see if it's actually possible to do. So I called Amin, told him about the idea. And at start, he didn't quite understand what I'm trying to say, but eventually he got the idea. And he said that it's amazing, but it requires a lot of resources to do, because it's not a small project. And another friend of mine told me that maybe we need an investment for that and blah blah blah. And eventually I asked him, like, dude, is it possible to do it? Like, can we actually build something like this in terms of what we have in the market? And he said, yes, you can do it. So we have, yes, it's possible. But for the whole idea with all the integrations and all the thing that I just mentioned, it's too complicated. So what if instead of doing multiple channels, multiple integrations, what if we do only YouTube Studio? YouTube Analytics, pretty much. And yeah, so that's the idea we came up with eventually. And we are going to add this to Creators Lab as well. And we're going to call it Hash. So it's like dash, but without the D. So we are left with Hash. And what Hash can do is give you the ability to simply chat with your own channel. So you can ask your channel question like, how many views did I get last week? How is my new video performance? How many subs do I have? It will be able also to give you alerts. If you got a bad comment on a video, it will tell you, hey, you have this very bad comment on your last video, and even give you maybe suggestion or answer for you to those comments. And it can also give you ideas and blah blah blah. But the bottom line is that you can ask for quick data using that chat, using the voice chat or typing, and it gives you a simple answer as if you are speaking to your own YouTube channel. Anyhow, so in this channel, this is what we are going to do: show the process, show how we build it, show the marketing, and etc. If this idea makes sense to you and you have maybe stuff to tell me, ideas to implement within this concept or whatever, make sure to comment below this video, subscribe to the channel if you want to see us going through this journey, and we will not keep anything from you. We are sharing everything, like the whole process. We'll be going to document everything and share on this channel. So if you want to learn SaaS and you want to learn how to launch or how it looks when you launch a new software, what does it cost, how do you do marketing, everything you could have in mind, this is what we are going to do on this channel. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.